Zcash may grow 8% tomorrow, according to crypto predictions. First, let's take a moment to see what the chart is showing us now. Zcash has moved down 4.3% in the last day and is currently near $279.16. Let's look at the forecast from each analyst. By February 19, Traders Union expects the asset to be at $283.97, which would be an increase of roughly 1.7%. Coin price forecast sees potential for Zcash to rise to $287, an increase close to 2.8%. According to Coin Codex, there is potential for it to head upward to $290.26, an increase of about 4%. Another forecast from Crypto Predictions suggests Zcash could reach $301.58. That's an estimated gain of about 8%. To conclude, CoinLore targets $303.25 by February 19 with 8.6% upside. This one holds the top earning potential. The 5 forecasts are in. Let's go beyond that. Now let's take a step into what each forecast might deliver. Looking at the entire range of predictions, the price movement could fall anywhere between a rise of 1.7% and an increase of 8.6%, depending on the analyst. Reviewing the results, CoinLore shows the highest return with 8.6% gain in value by tomorrow. Therefore, you could earn between $17 and $86 for every $1,000 you invest. According to volatility analysis, Traders Union's forecast has a 99.6% likelihood of being right. By analyzing all 5 forecasts, I've put forward a consensus view. Consensus valuation marks Zcash around $293.21. Let's break it down. The consensus average implies a 5% increase by tomorrow. In line with that same percentage, your capital could also register an increase. On a 1,000 example, that could work out to around $50 in potential profit, which puts the probability of this consensus forecast being met at roughly 97.9%. At this stage, let's examine the short-term 3-day predictions from analysts. For the next few days, Traders Union expects Zcash to strengthen. A gain is additionally anticipated by Coin Price Forecast, who remains bullish. Meanwhile, Coin Codex suggests the short-term path is upward. An upward drive is similarly anticipated by Crypto Predictions. Likewise, CoinLore points to a bullish course in the days ahead. Taken as a whole, the consensus highlights that Zcash is likely to follow a rising path with positive momentum across the 3-day horizon. In summary, the independent forecasts all point to Zcash trending upward. Summing it up, most analysts share a bullish view on Zcash. 5 forecasts were published 2 days ago for the day ahead. With that day now finished, we know how they held up. In the end, trading settled at $296.26. With this outcome, only one analyst had the direction correct. If we look at forecast accuracy, the best result came from digital coin price. Now for a clear breakdown. The daily move matched 3 forecasts. Speaking of ROI, multiple predictions turned profitable, and the best return stood at 5%. Now on screen is the summary table, all results together in one view. In this comparison, CoinDataFlow was assigned 99.2% forecast probability in accuracy and 3.5% ROI. Look closely. Who do you think gave the strongest forecast? Now let's see how the predicted profitability for tomorrow varies between Zcash and other assets. Zcash tops the profitability ranking with 5% forecasted return. This quick view includes 5 cryptocurrencies, and the broader cross-asset return analysis will also be available later on my website and Telegram. And if you enjoy seeing how analyst predictions compare, give it a like and make sure you're subscribed. See you next time.